This is an O2 sensor tool, and it is a universal type socket. It can be used on any type of O2 sensor, upstream or downstream, as long as it has the clearance for this deep socket. And the reason why it's deep is so that it can go over the whole socket and get a good grip on it and be able to turn it out. All O2 sensors in most cars are 22 millimeter. You can use a wrench or a socket, but the socket will always get a better grip on it. And the way it's used is, this is an O2 sensor, and the opening will slide right over until the hectagon fits down on that socket. And then you'll use a ratchet and you can break it free right out of the exhaust. No damage to the wiring harness, and it's nice and smooth, and it won't round off the actual O2 sensor. When only the best will do, demand TRQ. The only company that lets you view before you do. TRQ is committed to offering the highest quality aftermarket auto parts that are engineered for peace of mind. Thanks for using and viewing with TRQ.